Congratulations, you've made it! Welcome to the College of Nursing at the University of Tennessee. Here at UT, nursing students get to learn, practice, and perfect skills before applying them in the hospital setting. This is all thanks to our state-of-the-art simulation lab, built to teach our nursing students the skills necessary to become successful in a clinical setting. Before coming to simulation lab, your instructor may assign lab manual worksheets to fill out, online DocuCare activities to complete, or Mosby's videos to watch. Preparing for lab is necessary for success. It allows you to be acquainted to the different lab materials you will be using and the procedure you will be expected to perform during lab. Every time you come to simulation lab, bring the following materials: name tag, watch, pen, and make sure to bring a snack to eat during your break. For Foundations Lab, wear your College of Nursing uniform. This includes your scrubs, white socks, white shoes, your name tag, a watch, and your stethoscope. Cover all tattoos and make sure you don't have on any jewelry except a pair of stud earrings if you would like. Long hair needs to be pulled up and off of your shoulders. If it interferes with the skill being performed when you lean forward, please put it all of the way up. This includes a bun or, as shown, putting it into a clip. For health assessment, wear street clothes that are easy to take on and off. You will be assessing each other, so make sure clothes are loose, comfortable, and easy to be moved. For Health Assessment Lab, you may need a few other supplies depending on the assessment you will be doing. Bring your stethoscope, blood pressure cuff, and pen light. Wear your shoes into the lab. However, you may need to take them off to feel pulses and do other assessments of the lower extremities. Your lab spiral is a great resource that gives you information about the assessments that you will be performing on your partner. During Health Assessment Lab, you will also be using assessment kits in the black bag at the bedside. Each kit is labeled according to the bed space and the contents inside are also labeled. Please keep all contents inside of the bag organized and make sure the correct materials are in the correct bag when you are finished. The day of lab, please arrive at least 10 minutes before your scheduled lab time. When you enter the lab, put all of your belongings into the lockers provided and take the necessary materials to the seats in the middle of the room to prepare for your lab time. When you enter, please scan in at the computer and make sure you see your name pop up on the screen. Please keep your cell phone on silence and place it into your backpack. Picture and video recording are not allowed in the lab at any time. During lab, please follow all rules set by clinical or simulation faculty and go with your assigned group to your station. When you arrive at your station, you will see necessary lab materials, otherwise known as kits, set out on the countertops. Work together with the people in your clinical group and try to make these experiences as real as possible. When learning and performing new skills, don't be afraid to ask questions. Instructors are there to help you. When you are finished with various lab materials, place all used kit items into the specified and labeled bins that will be provided for you. Follow any directions and notes that are placed on the countertops because this will help make recycling and repackaging easier and quicker. When you finish with lab, please make sure you leave it the same way it was when you arrived. Please recycle any and all lab kits, make the beds, and help clean up any way you can because there are multiple classes that use the lab back to back. After your simulation experience is over, please keep all scenarios confidential and do not share information about these experiences with other classmates. This helps ensure that each student gets the same learning experience when they enter simulation. If you still have questions after simulation or do not feel comfortable with a skill, please do not hesitate to contact your clinical faculty for further clarification or another lab time. Simulation experiences and the Skills Lab are a time for nursing students to learn, grow, and expand on new skills that we will take with us throughout our careers. Each year, students have a positive learning experience, gain confidence as student nurses, and get hands-on practice before applying skills in the hospital. Make the most of these experiences. Learn as much as you can and enjoy yourself, because the next time you perform a skill, it may be on a real person.